If you use Microsoft Edge and you want your inactive tabs to be a little easier on the eyes, there's a simple setting called Fade Inactive Tabs. This is a quick visual tweak that makes tabs you're not actively using look dimmer, so it's easier to tell what's open and what you're focused on. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn it on in just a few clicks. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From there, click on Settings. This opens the main Edge settings page where you can change everything from appearance to privacy and performance options. On the left-hand side, find the section called System and Performance. Click that and then look for the performance area inside it. This is where Edge keeps the settings related to speed, efficiency, and tab behavior. Once you're in the performance section, scroll until you see the option called Fade Inactive Tabs. When you find it, simply toggle it on. As soon as you enable it, Edge will start fading tabs that you are not currently using, which can make browsing feel cleaner and more organized. If you switch between lots of tabs during work, school, or research, this is a really useful setting to turn on, and that's all there is to it. You've now enabled Fade Inactive Tabs in Microsoft Edge. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a noticeable difference in how your browser looks and feels every day. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy browser tips and computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.